NFA to DFA conversion we have seen, right? Epsilon NFA to DFA we did not see. Epsilon NFA to DFA also we did not see. I'll explain those two topics after completion of the basic introduction of finite automata with output. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next concept is finite automata with output. Okay, what is this finite automata with output? We'll see now. Till now, what we discussed, the automata without output we have seen. Fine. There are two classifications, without output, with output. Without output and with output. What is without output? Without output, we are again having three classifications, DFA, NFA and epsilon NFA. With output, we are having two classifications, Moore machine and Mealy machine. What is, first we'll see what is finite automata with output. Okay. Finite automata with output means it will generate you the output at last. Okay, and this finite automata with output, we are having two classifications, Moore machine and Mealy machine. First, we will discuss about Moore machine. Okay, what is Moore machine? Machine M is equals to Q comma sigma comma delta comma lambda comma Q naught. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. DFA is 5 tuple or triple or quadruple or 6 tuple?
5
tuple.
5 tuple. When you come to this Moore machine is 6 tuple. Okay, Moore machine is mathematically represented as 6 tuple. Whereas what is this Q? Can anyone tell me? Q అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా 5 tuple. What does it mean?
set of state.
Q is set of state. Sigma is
Input alphabet.
set of input alphabet. What is this delta?
Transition state function. Transition function.
So this is, what about this delta I'm asking? The small delta. This small delta is nothing but output symbols. See, here when you come to Moore machine, it is finite automata with output, no? So sigma is used to represent the input. Small delta is used to represent the output symbol. Clear, ma? Is it clear? Small delta, what does it mean? What it represents? Small delta.
Output symbol.
Output symbol. Next, this delta is transition function. This delta is transition function. What does this lambda? What is transition function here? Q on sigma will go to Q only. This lambda is, which is nothing but the which state is associated with which output symbol. A state ki output symbol undi. Meek example chusinapudu idi ardham avutadalendi. What is Q naught?
Initial state.
Initial state. What are the new symbols here? We have seen this delta and this lambda. This delta represent output symbols. And that output symbol is associated with which state anedi cheppedi lambda. I'll give you an example, then you'll get to know what is this. Next, I'm telling you the example, ma. Observe carefully. They have given the input symbol sigma as A comma B and the output symbol delta they have given as 0 comma 1. And the transition diagram is Q0 on 0, Q1 comma 1. Okay, assume this is the transition diagram. Okay, from this transition diagram, what is the lambda for Q0? What I told you about lambda is nothing but Q2 output alphabet. No, what is the Q0 output alphabet? What is lambda for Q0?
0.
Lambda of ఏం అసోసియేట్ అయింది lambda of Q0 అంటే
0.
0. What is lambda of Q1?
1.
1. I think now it is clear, right? What is lambda? What is delta? These are the only two things which are different from the earlier one. Why? Because now we are discussing the finite automata with output, not without output. So with output means we need output symbols and which state is associated with which output symbol, that is represented with lambda and delta. Okay, and one more thing, ma, here we don't have the final state. Generally, when will you accept the DFA? When it reaches to the final state. But when you come to this Moore mission, when will you accept that state? No, it is not for accepting the state. It will give you the output. I'll tell you. Suppose W is equals to A, B, A. Assume the given string is W is equals to A, B, A. How can I construct this? Q0. Q0 on A, where it is going? Q0 on A, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? డయాగ్రామ్ చూసి చెప్పండి.
Q1.
Q1 on A, sorry, given string next into Q1 on B. Q1 on B, where it is going?
Self loop, ma'am. Q1 only.
Q1 only. Next to Q1 on A.
Q0.
Q0. There is no final state, right? So what is W of W is equals to ABA means lambda of ABA is equals to, what is the symbol associated with Q0?
0.
0. For Q1?
1.
For Q1 it is 1. Here Q1?
1.
Here Q0?
0.
What is lambda of ABA? What is the output symbol you are getting here or output string you are getting here?
0 1 1 0.
1 1 0. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this?
Ma'am, do we always write write in sets, ma'am, like Q0, comma 0, Q1, comma 1, if it is with output?
I didn't get you, Rishta.
Ma'am, for the above transition diagram, we wrote Q0, comma 0.
Yes.
Then Q1, comma 1. So when we are taking finite automata with output, do we always write it in sets like Q0 and 0, something like
Not
that?
sets. Every output symbol is associated with the state in Moore machine. Okay, ఒక్క సింబలే ఉంటుంది, సెట్ ఏం ఉండదు. Q0, 0 ఈ రెండు అసోసియేట్ అయి ఉంటాయి, ఒకే దానిలో ఉంటాయి.
Okay.
Okay, any more doubts regarding this Moore machine? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Shall I give one question? Will you solve it?
Ma'am, can you explain the part where Q1 on B is going to Q1 again?
See, ma, Q0 on the given string, based on the given string, Q0 on A, where it is going? Q1. Q1 on B, where it is going? Q1 only. Q1 on A, where it is going? Q0. So according to that, what is the symbol associated with Q0 is 0, Q1 is 1, Q1 is again 1, Q0 is 0. Right? Nalini.
Why is it going again to Q1? Like,
ఇక్కడ మా Q1 on B ఇక్కడ ఏముంది నీకు గివెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో?
okay, ma'am, I got.
గివెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ని చూసి నేను అవుట్పుట్ రాస్తానా, నేను మళ్ళీ ట్రాన్సిషన్ డయాగ్రామ్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయట్లేదు కదా.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, then. Shall I give one problem? Say, sir. I'm asking you to construct the Moore machine. Construct the Moore machine. That, are you writing? That takes the input from sigma is equals to a comma b. Sigma is equals to a comma b. Now I am asking you to count the number of a's in the given input string. Count the number of a's in the given input string. Okay, which means input A meeda it has to move to, it has to give the output as 1. Input B meeda it has to give the output as 0, because I asked you to count the number of A's in the given string. So అందుకని A's ని నేను 1 తో B's ని నేను 0 తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నా. And the given string is ABA. ఈ given string లో number of A's ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా కౌంట్ చేస్తారు? First you have to construct the Moore machine for this and then count. First, how will you construct the Moore machine? First, I'm drawing Q0. Okay.
Q0 to Q1.
Output symbol kuda nenu associate chesesa 0. Q0 on 0 on A is going to Q1. Q on A ante output symbol em ravali? 1 ravali. So this is A. When it is on 0, it is going to B. So this is also B. Now, this is the Moore machine. How can we calculate lambda of ABA? Lambda of ABA means Q0 on A is going to which state? Diagram lo choose cheppandi. Q1.
Q1, ma'am.
Q1 on B is going to which state?
Q0.
Q0.
Q0. Q0 on A is going to which state? Q1.
Again
What
Q1.
is the symbol associated with Q0? 0, 1,
0, 1.
0, 1.
0, 1.
What I assumed A as 1. 1 means how many times 1 are there? 2 times.
2
So
times.
how many times the A occur?
2 times.
I'll give you one more example, then it will be better to understand. Sigma equals to A comma B and count the number of occurrences of the substring AB. ఇప్పుడు substring AB count చేయాలి. In the given string AB, A, B, A. This is the given string. This is the given string. In this given string, you have to count the number of occurrences of AB, which means మీకు AB వచ్చినప్పుడే 1 రావాలి. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని మీరు zeros తీసుకోవాలి. AB వచ్చినప్పుడే 1 రావాలి. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని zeros తీసుకోవాలి. First you construct the Moore machine. I'll give you 5 minutes time. If not, I'll tell you. Moore machine construct చేయండి. Completed, ma. మీకు అర్థమైంది అసలు ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో?
Ma'am,
Yes, Rishita.
ma'am, for this question, I have a doubt. When we are writing, suppose when I started with Q naught comma 0, ma'am.
Yes.
So the next stage, I can take Q1 comma 0, or I should only change it to Q1 comma 1.
చెప్పు నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు? నేను ఎప్పుడు 1 తీసుకోమన్నాను?
When we have to get the output, like whenever it is a AB, we have to get a 1.
Then which one will you take now? Q1 on 0 or 1?
Q1 on 0 I took because Q0 to Q1 I gave the state as A, ma'am.
Yes, then it is Q1 is associated with 0 only because we did not reach AB till now.
Yes, ma'am. So Q1 from Q1 to Q2 on B, ma'am. So Q2 comma 1 I took.
Yes.
The doubt I have is, can we have 0 like consecutively?
One second, I'll explain.
Yes, ma'am.
నళిని చేసావమ్మా? Q naught. I'm sorry, I did not take the associated symbol. So Q naught initially 0 only. Okay. Q naught on A only when it is AB. When it is AB, then only you have to give it as 1. It is not AB, so I'm giving it 0 only. Next, on B, it is going to Q2, which is 1. Okay. Next, Q naught on 0 is going to Q1 on A. What about B? B is simply I'm drawing self loop. Next, Q1 on B.
Q1 on B, self loop
Already
again.
we have drawn, right? Q1 on A, I can draw it like self loop. Next, Q2 on A. Q2 on A, if I draw like this, it will become AB, no? So A I'm giving here. What about B?
Dead state, ma'am.
No dead state concept here. You can draw to this. There is no acceptance, there is no reject, right? Okay.
But you depicted a final state, right? So
Okay, no need of final state. Okay, got it?
yes, ma'am.
All of you. What is the output? Tell me. How many occurrences AB? Tell me.
Ma'am, can we take self loop on Q2 of B?
What ma? Q2 self loop B. See what happens then? ABB also will become 1. But what they have given only AB. Other than that, you take it back front. Only AB has to be 1. Remaining all are zeros. Got it,
Okay.
Nalini?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many occurrences, ma? See, how can you calculate that? What is the string they have given to you? AB, ABA. So first Q naught on A will go to which state? Q1. Q1 on B is going to Q2. Q2 on A is going to Q1. Next, Q1 on B is going to Q2. Next, Q2 on A is going to again Q1. Now tell me, Q naught means associated symbol is 0, Q1 is also 0, Q2 is 1, Q1 is 0, Q2 is 1, Q1 is 0. How many times the 1 has came here? 2 times. So AB has occurred 2 times in the given string. Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I do one more problem or shall I move on?
One more.
One more.
One more. Okay, I'll give you the question and we'll give you 5 minutes time. Please try it. If not, I'll explain. Sigma is A comma B and the output is 1 if input ends with AA. AA to end aithe output ఏంటంట 1. If it ends with AA, the output is 1. If it ends with AB, the output is 2. Other than this, the output is 0. Okay, construct the Moore machine for this. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done, ma'am? Completed, ma'am? Please respond.
Right, ma'am.
Okay. Initially, Q naught is associated with 0. Q naught on A is going to Q1, which is also 0. On A is going to
Q2, 1,
Q2, comma
1.
1.
On B, ma'am.
On B, which is equals to Q3,
Q2,
comma
Q3, 2.
2. Okay, what about remaining? Remaining all are zeros only. So B is 0. Next, Q1 on A, B, both we have completed. Q2 on A, it has to go to 0, right? So I'm drawing to this part. Q2 on B. Q2 on B means, if you observe here, Q2 on B, I'm sending this to 0 place only. Q2 on B. Okay. Why I did not send here? If I send it here, BA also will become 1. That's why I have sent this to Q0. Next, Q3 on A. Q3 on A is, what will you write?
Self loop, ma'am.
Self loop A. Why it is self loop A?
Ma'am, after it becomes B, if there's a self loop, again it will become A, B, A, B, A, B, ma'am.
Where it is AB, ma'am?
Ma'am, we have a self loop A, ma'am, and then from Q1 we have a state Q1 to Q3 on B, no, ma'am. So once the self loop starts acting, once it has like A, then there's another state coming B. So AB, 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 the output will be 2.
Okay. Next, what about B? Q3 on B. Q3 on B.
To Q0, ma'am. Q3 to Q0 on B.
Q3 to
Q0.
Q0, because it will give you BB. BB means which is
0.
0 only. Am I clear with this? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we'll move on to the next concept, that is Mealy machine. I just introduced the Mealy machine. Tomorrow we'll see that. What is the difference between Mealy machine and Mori machine? Means Mealy machine is also a 7 tuple. Mealy machine is also a 7 tuple. Then what is the difference between Moore and Mealy machines? Moore machine and Mealy machine are comes under finite automator with output. Then where it differs? నేను ఏం చెప్పాను 6 tuple అని చెప్పాను. Q sigma delta, which is output symbol, transition function, lambda, and Q naught. Only all are same. Only the lambda will differ. That is Q into some epsilon tends to lambda, which means earlier what we have written, the output symbol is associated with the states. Now it is not associated with the states. The output symbol is associated with the input The output symbol is associated with the input symbols, which means, for example, see in the first I'm drawing the Moore machine. Moore machine is like this, right? B. First Moore machine, what we have constructed. This is Moore machine. Mealy machine means the output is not associated with the states, which means Q0, Q1 only, but it is associated with the input symbols. ఏముంది ఇక్కడ input symbol 0, ఇక్కడ input symbol ఏమైంది a by 0, ఇక్కడ input symbol ఏమైంది a by 1, ఇక్కడ input symbol ఏమైంది b by 1. Here the output symbol is associated with the input symbol, whereas in Moore machine output symbol is associated with the state. Got it, ma? Are you following? Got it?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Seema, earlier the output symbol is associated with the state. Now the output symbol is associated with the alphabet. That is the only difference between Moore and Mealy machines. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Try one problem. Same earlier what we have done. Construct the Mealy machine that takes the input from sigma is equals to a comma b. Count the number of a's in the given input string a b a. a's ni count cheyali ante a vachinappudu 1 ravali, b vachinappudu 0 ravali. Construct cheyandi. Will you try or shall I explain this? Remaining you may try. Shall I explain?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. What it is saying, when it is A, you retrieve it as 0. Remaining all it is, sorry, when it is A, represent it with 1, remaining all are zeros. Q naught on A is giving you 1, on B is it is giving you 0, or else here itself you may write. Okay, on B it is 0. Only one state is enough to represent. So now lambda of A, B, A. What is lambda of A? What is the output symbol associated with A? 1. What is the output symbol associated with B? 0. What is the output symbol associated with A? It is 1, 0, 1. How many times 1 is repeated? 2 times. So A, B, A means the A occurrences are 2. Next is same problem. When it is A, B, you print it as 1. Remaining all, you print it as 0. Will you try this? Done, ma? Have you tried? Simple, ma. Q naught on. First I'm going like this. Q naught on A is 0. Q1. Okay, next Q1 on B is 1. Here you have represented A, you did not represent B. So it is B is 0. Here if it is B means it is B already we have represented, no? So it is A. Am I clear? Again, we'll see this Mealy missions in the next session. Moore mission, is it clear, ma, all of you? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who are having doubts, they can stay and remaining people can leave this session.